Hey guys, welcome to Fur Tutorials. So guys, today I create really cool and basic animation tutorial in Cinema 4D. So firstly guys, I take some objects like cube and cube size I take 20, 20 and 20 and fillet check. Guys, change fillet radius like 2. Yes. And again I take go to here and take sphere and sphere radius I take 10. Yeah, great. And take platonics. I take radius 10, right? And last one, torus, and make smaller. Yes, right? Okay. So now, guys, I take cloner, select this cloner, select all objects and make child with cloner. Yeah. And select cloner and change mode. I take grid array and guys, size I take 100, 100 and 100. Yes. And guys, count, I take 10, 10 and 10. Yeah, great. See guys, right? And now, guys, I apply random effector tool. So select this cloner and I take random. Yes. And I go to parameter, scale size check and ununiform check and scale size. I take minus 0.5 and rotation check. And guys, all rotation take 360, 360 and 360. Create like this. Right guys, that's my first shape. And now guys, I take only sphere. Yes, that's it. Go on here. Right? See, that's my objects. And now guys, I apply some tags. So select this cloner and right click simulation tag and use rigid body. Yes, and I go to here collision, inheritance tag, apply tag to children and individually element use all. Yeah, and I go to force and guys follow position I take like actually take 5, right? And go to sphere and right click on sphere, go to simulation tag and use collider body. Yeah, and play. See guys, right? Okay, so guys, I little bit change some counts because it's take little bit slow. So decrease I count like 6, 6 and 6. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I create animation. So select this sphere and right click, go to Cinema 4D tag and use vibrator. Yes. And increase frame like 500. Yeah. Go to back and play. Okay, so enable position check. Guys, select this vibrator tag and enable check and play. Yes, go to on closer like this. See guys, that's my simple animation. See, right? And guys, little bit increase amplitude like 200 and again play. Yeah, great. See guys, right? It's really cool animation. It's for beginners. Yeah, great. Okay, so now guys stop, select this sphere and go on made, go on here. Yes. And guys select this vibrator tag, amplitude all, shape take 200, 200 and frequency same 2 is better and play. See guys, that's really good. I increase more counts, select like 8, 8 and 8. Play. Yeah, great. See guys, that's really cool. It's like a magnetic effect. Okay, So guys, that's it, my simple animation. Now I apply light, go to file and merge, select and open. Select flow and background and down and set light, take camera and set light, select overhead softbox, go on mid, that's it, and apply random materials, select and apply, and like this, guys, red on cube and platonics and this, right? And last one, yes, right? And play. See guys, and camera check, right? See, that's guys your simple and basic animation tutorial. That's really good. So stop, guys, go to render setting and ambient occlusion, maximum SAM 1 to 8, accuracy 100%, anti. Guys, if your system configuration is better, you can take best, otherwise you can only take geometry, and also global illumination, and take indirectly cache, record density take low, and format use JPEG. Guys, that's my renders. Take renders and take any file name, output, use all frame. That's it. So close and go to back. Yes, great guys, it's really good. So render and press OK, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My simple tutorial animation is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.